I was for 17 cops.
17 minutes.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can you
I
answer
didn't.
that?
You have no.
I mean, it looked like hella.
You have no
not
probable
17.
cause to stop
How
me,
many?
sir.
There was like
I
five
actually
cars,
did not
cars
17.
pulled in.
I
It was
did
like,
not beat-
That's what those people told me.
Okay.
So how many were there? Why were there so many cops on thing?
We have
This body cam footage captures a heated confrontation from start to finish. The man insists he was wrongly slammed to the ground, claiming he committed zero crimes. He questions the officers on why they didn't chase the real suspect and demands badge numbers while venting his anger. The exchange grows more hostile with insults, accusations of racism, and references to past police shootings.
I don't know that. How? When? When did he steal something?
When he was arrested, bro.
They slammed him on the ground, bro.
Listen, sir.
Oh yeah, you pussy.
Tell me what he stole. What did he steal?
Nothing, bro, because you're just white trash, bro. Dirtbag, hillbilly piece of shit. That's why he's driving a Chevy.
I did it. I'm telling you from the beginning. Why don't you just say that?
Well, here's the deal. You got my face.
Just
Acting
I
like you wanted
didn't.
to fight.
No, man, you stopped me.
Yeah, 'cause
You said, "Hey, come here. You're under detain." I said, "I didn't do nothing." I walked back in there and told you I didn't beat.
You're when you went. So you are doing suspicion.
But then I went and showed you that I wasn't the shoplifter.
Well, I didn't ask
Why
you.
didn't you go chase him?
Because I didn't even know which way he went until they got direction of where he
Bro,
went.
you could have. The other guy. Don't try to change the story, man. You could have just. I stopped and waited for you. I could have ran and did whatever I wanted if I did something wrong.
When you first started walking this way and said you're not stopping for me, you're obviously then you don't tell me you are.
Because
I'm
I
just trying
didn't
to figure
do
out who you are,
anything
boss.
wrong.
Well, you're guilty by association with the guy who's your shoplifting. Whatever. So
Whatever you
right
say.
now, I'm looking at the video. You're gonna hang out for me for a minute.
Whatever you say.
And then we're gonna
These
move on.
guys just slammed me on the ground.
Well, what happened when they said you're being you start pulling for me?
No, they're lying. Listen, sir.
Hey.
I'm being honest.
Well, I
I have
was right here.
multiple. Listen. I know you know how this works. Okay. I did 10 years in prison.
Why'd you do prison time for?
Listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
Just stop.
Okay.
I'm not playing with you guys.
What's that?
You guys slammed me on my head.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. That cop grabbed my arm
Okay.
and he slammed my head on the ground.
Well, you don't get to pull away from the police.
I didn't pull anybody away from the police getting detained.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back in here. So what was your name? I didn't get your name.
I'm not giving you my name.
Perfect. I'm going to go back
Why
in
you
here.
thinking? Why you keep trying to slick me, man?
I like to know people tell me names.
I didn't steal. I didn't do nothing. Leave me alone.
I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. Okay?
You've already wasted too much time for detaining.
Well, I haven't wasted too much.
You
Why
went
was
over
there
your standard
17
time,
cops?
17 minutes.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can you
I
answer
didn't.
that?
You have no
I mean, it looked
legal.
like hella.
You have no probable cause to
How
stop me,
many?
sir.
There was like
I
five
actually
cars,
did.
cars pulled in.
I
It was
did
like-
not beat-
That's what those people told me.
Okay.
So how many were there? Why were there so many cops on thing?
We have
See me
Oh,
walk
don't
in
listen
and
to
walk back
me.
out. I
Oh,
did not beat.
You're
Otherwise
just an
it's
idiot,
17.
man.
Did not. There's a camera right there. Go watch it.
I hope hella bad shit happens to you. I hope your whole life sucks. I hope your whole life sucks.
Thank you.
I hope something goes wrong with you. I hope your wife back, dude. I hope everything goes wrong with you.
Why's
It
it gotta
probably
be a
is.
black guy? That sounds pretty racist.
That doesn't sound racist. It sounds like you got a bigger dick than me.
Okay. Sounds pretty racist to me.
No. I'm a quarter black, so I can say whatever the fuck I want. My dad's black, but I can say anything about black people. You're assuming I'm white? You're assuming I'm white?
Dude, you're still talking.
Yeah, because I can. Because I can. It's America, bro. You got a problem?
Great thing is,
Yeah, I love America, bro. Hate cops, bro.
Not, man. Man, I own my own business.
I appreciate that, and that's awesome. So here's the deal. I'm going to run back in, check the video. Nothing was taken on you. We're gonna
I
get you out of
didn't
handcuffs and
take
take it away.
anything.
Just let him do his thing then.
I'm going to go do
Then
this
why are
and
you
we're
still
gonna get
standing here?
Well, I'm waiting for her to get the video pulled.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'm telling you, as a man,
We have good contact information.
you're not getting nothing from me.
Okay. Perfect. Hang tight for me and I'll
Except
be
for
back
your
with you.
supervisor's number
Okay.
and badge number and all the
Can I
officers.
get your name and badge number, please?
Parker 185.
Thank you. Appreciate
Yeah,
you.
man. Thank you.
Can I get your name?
Thompson
and badge number?
134.
Can I get your name?
Yeah,
and
I'm
badge
Sergeant Carlisle,
I don't know
0097.
why you guys didn't chase him if he did something
Can I
wrong.
get your name and badge number?
Officer Hamburg 0201.
Thank you.
But why did you stop?
Because I'm here with you. So I'll be back with you in just a second. You guys good with a second?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
It's just ridiculous, bro. I have nothing to do if someone else steals something.
No, we good.
Could I get your name and badge number? I know you weren't here.
Kitchens 181.
Thank you, bro.
Parker,
Yes, sir.
you used to work in the jail.
No, I didn't.
Is that your brother then?
Nope, sure didn't. Parker's a pretty common name, though. Every Parker that I met is handsome, so.
You're not.
You'd remember.
So what's up with you guys'
ugliest
attitudes,
one.
man? I'm just saying, like, that guy, you guys got this sick ass attitude when you're just walking around. You feel like you just own the whole area around you. Yeah, you guys do.
Like I said, that's the interpretation.
Oh no, y'all killed my brother.
How do you feel?
Shot Nick Peters, man.
I've never killed one person.
You have friends that kill people.
Oh,
you
your
don't
police
know one
buddies.
officer that's killed somebody? Nope. You're a sucker then.
Okay.
Man, your officer don't put in no work.
What you doing there?
Hopped out of the car, hands up, y'all shot
Why you
him
guys
17
hands on
times.
mustaches like a racist?
Pieces of shit. Marysville Police
Huh,
Department.
bitch? Why are you racist? Just tell me why you're racist.
Okay.
Just tell me why you wake up in the morning and your big black kid and your kids
Two
go to
people said
school,
that to you, buddy.
your
It must be
daughter-
real.
we
Must
know
be
who
really
your daughter
happening.
is.
Okay.
Yeah, she does. Yeah, that's why you always beefing and going chasing little black kids. Yeah, I know who you are. Yeah, we know who you are, dude.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
As the encounter ends, the man continues to defend his innocence and challenges the officers over their actions. He calls out their attitude, mentions his brother's death, and accuses police of excessive force. Before leaving, he warns them about a lawsuit and demands accountability. The tension stays high, leaving viewers wondering whether this was a case of mistaken suspicion or something deeper. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the
Here is
comments.
another
This
case.
video shows a heated encounter between a police officer and a civilian. The officer demands the civilian's name and date of birth to complete a report, while the civilian questions the legality and purpose of the request. Tensions rise as personal space conflicts, past grievances, and camera recording create friction. The situation escalates with strong words and accusations, making it clear this interaction will leave viewers questioning authority and accountability.
Because I need it. Since
Why do
you were
you
driving
need
the vehicle and I have to do a report.
What do you have to do a
So
report
please
on?
go ahead and give me
What do
your
you
vehicle.
have to do a report on?
I have to do a report on the fact that I just arrested him on a warrant.
But what
So,
does that have to do with me?
What it has to do with you? You're driving the motor vehicle and now you're standing here in my face.
I'm not in your face. You got in my face.
I didn't get in your face.
You approached me.
I accomplished a traffic
You
stop of your
approached
vehicle
me.
because that man
You
inside your
approached
vehicle has
me.
a warrant for his arrest.
You approached
So
me.
give me your ID.
You approached. Why?
Because I'm telling you to.
But why?
Because it is a lawful order from a law enforcement officer.
Give me a reason
your
why.
ID.
Why? I don't have it on me. I just came from
Okay,
a funeral.
what's your name then?
Why?
What's your name and date of birth?
Why?
At minimum, by law, by state law, you have to give your name and date of birth.
You have to give a reason why. You're
I've already
harassing me.
given you a reason.
I've
I'm
already
not harassing
been
you in
harassed
any way, shape, or
before.
form, ma'am. This gentleman right
Okay,
here
well
has a
then you
warrant for
just
his
took him
arrest.
away and I'm leaving then.
You are not free to go until you give
Why?
me your name and your date of birth.
Why do you need my name and date of birth?
Because I've told you that I need your name and date of birth
Why?
for my report so I can properly identify you of who you are.
You know who I am.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Why are you getting in my
Who
face?
are you? What's your
You know
name?
I already have an assault charge pending against the U.S. Marshals, right?
Okay.
Because one of you people hit me in the face with his badge, and I have it on camera.
That's great.
I have it on camera,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
I
That's
sent it
great.
to the news
This is a
company.
completely different
And now,
scenario.
because of that,
This
this
is a
is what's
completely different
happening.
scenario.
You guys are
This is a completely
threatening and
different
harassing
scenario,
me.
ma'am. This is a completely different scenario.
This is not completely
Go
different.
ask Meech. Make sure he's identified her since she doesn't want to give up any of her information.
Why do you need my information?
You can go sit in the car then. You don't want to give any info? Go ahead, go sit in the car. I'm not going to deal with this. Go sit in the car. Have a nice night, okay?
Why do you think you can just tell me what to do like that?
Because I can. Because
But
I'm a law
why?
enforcement officer.
Stop yelling and
I'm allowed
talking
to
to
tell
me.
you what to do.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
I get that you may not have done anything wrong. What you're doing wrong is the way that you're acting right now.
No,
okay?
you're mad because I'm recording you.
I'm not mad. I could care less that you're recording me. I'm recording you as well. So that means absolutely nothing to me.
That's funny. If you're recording me as well, then why did the camcorder come off of the guy that I have for the HLN? Why
I don't
was
even
it?
know who that is. I don't know
I
who
don't know who the
HLN
guy is.
I don't know anything about
I have an
HLN.
attorney already
That's
with you guys
fine.
assaulting me. I have
Who
an
is you
assault
guys?
pending from the U.S.
I'm
Marshal.
Cuyahoga Falls Police Department.
Then approach me and shake my hand, and I'll tell you who I am like a normal person.
Well, you could read my police vehicle right here, right? That it says Cuyahoga Falls Police Department. You're standing so close to me that you can read the words on my
I'm not
badge.
standing so close to you. You're
Yes, you
in my
can.
personal space.
You approached me, ma'am.
You're in my personal
approached me,
space.
ma'am.
No, I was walking this way.
You approached me with
you were
your
in my
camera.
personal
so
space.
Please go get back in your vehicle.
No.
And
I want to know what's going on.
Sounds good. All right, ma'am. Have a great night. He's under arrest for his warrant, and he will be taken to county jail.
Okay, well, all of this will be on the news.
That's fine, man.
Okay. Jason, I'll get your attorney.
The confrontation concludes with the civilian being taken into custody for an outstanding warrant. Despite objections and disputes over procedure, the officer maintains control, emphasizing the legal authority and protocol. The civilian expresses frustration and mentions prior incidents on camera, promising the story will reach the news. The interaction closes with law enforcement following through on the arrest, while the civilian prepares for legal action, leaving a lasting impression of tension and unresolved conflict. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.